You don't know my people. Outside for a look drive through, you know. Simple drive through. It's carnival time, you don't know. Plenty fete. Out.
Fete after
Fete. Boat clothes and thing.
We're just taking a little evening stroll.
Sure. In a nice sun.
Shagaramas.
In Shagarama, the nice sunset. You don't know.
Sunset? It's far from sunset.
How the sun go down? Ah. It's
Sun
nice.
hot like.
It's a nice boat and then outside. Outside with them. Watch. This is Shagarama Maxi. The yellow ban. Out. Not bad. Just the key one go on. See that boat there.
Power boats. One day you could pass to go down the island.
This is when car and back home.
Yeah. What you going on in the road? What you going on in the road? You don't see it, you didn't even catch it.
Oh, should I catch him?
You know what?
He's walking dirty too.
And sure when the car reach up and then you run back bro.
You know?
West Palm Hotel. Up on the hill there.
Wow. What that one? The maze down here so they repair boat and build boat.
And I started fishing.
You know? Nice road. As long as I don't hear me too good. Sometimes I probably go up and sometimes I battery dim. I go buy Duracell.
You want energizer?
An energizer. You know? See. Nice car outside, you know? Shagaramas.
Going down to the cove.
Right down.
Down to the army base.
But they don't know you can see in the army base still, so don't bother. When you hear that, you go happy up and say, yeah, go see the army base. Nothing like that. You can't see the...
You can't even video down on the base.
You don't know. The bases are different months. See? Plenty fit. Wow. I look at evening drive. You know, say it's fit time fit. Then they say what? The last fit of the last.
The last 10 fete before the carnival season is this weekend. See the army base up front?
Alright, but they don't know. We can video up to the gate to go to the army. You have to turn right there, right there. They don't know.
The beach place. I forget what they call them hotel down here still. Shaka Cabana.
Right, something like that.
That is the name of down here, Shaka Cabana. See the name there? I lost it. Shaka Cabana.
Alright. I don't know. Out and bad. Look at some of the niceness. You don't know? Big fit over here tonight. Let's come out and kick back and watching, taking some of the sea side view and thing. Watch what go on. So just kick back and watch when we're rolling out. We just stop, take a file. So bless up all my subscribers them, bless up on yourself, love in the house. Zine. Run away, boo. I ain't not gonna name you. Don't drop. Bless. It's a bird. Bird fly away, gone. See? Niceness. Fitting at the night. You know?
Hello.
What are you drilling the fancy? That's one.
That's new to me. I know about that.
Yeah.
Yeah, some message for you.
The bush, man. The bush.
Bambo, bambo, bambo.
Going to what?
Mac
Creek.
Creek. If you know, you
You
know.
You know. As I say, it's just a little drive through, evening drive. A long time I'm not doing some evening tour, small tour, you know.
They must see trails, bikers, and
thing, yeah. Road not look bad still, in the back here. Road look decent, man.
watch out now.
See up here, people walking with their dog.
All the trails, exercise.
Bicycle trail. Everything. Everything up here, bicycle trail.
Mr. Dog.
But maybe you can't go inside because we're not really going to have no fun, so you might be able to pay for going when you know the proceed when I reach to the gate.
Procedure.
Yeah. The
See
procedure.
the man done by the gate already, so you don't know.
No, so it's characterized.
Let me ask him.
Yeah.
Hold on. You have money in here and you have to pay to go in. Alright, get there. What's the procedure? For the whole car? What do you want to do?
No, not really, because I'm not going to stay long.
You want to go and see?
If you want to.
No, next time we'll
We'll
come
go
back.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, man, bless.
That's every day or only on weekends? Every day?
Alright. You know what I'm saying?
If you want.
I might be inside.
See if I go, see if I go, see if I go, see if I go, see if I go. Backside there.
What you do this bro, they're gonna pick your car. Like I feel it. You see? Next time,
Well, Sammy, that is not creepy. You ain't get to go inside.
yeah,
to
next
see.
time we go inside, you know, we have to come out like in a day. So, you don't know. Is it?
I find by this hour, they're going and close just now.
Gate should have open.
Free to go in. Well, everybody had a
These
procedure.
people like they're going on a hike.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the Ike Road.
Check
This is the shine. Yeah. When
nature trails.
But that one you could just walk and go and do your thing.
Yeah. When I did, I go take a look walk up there. I look how far moms can walk. The boss lady go walk and walk it. Come and park up your car. lock it up. You know?
I want to do a little picnic out here.
Yeah. When I time we roll in there, see I go on in the road, I don't catch it.
And it videoing, but you still not catch it.
I don't know. When I say this name, sleeping police. Yes, the police are sleeping, man. You have to take your time go over and before you wake up. You thank you pass the police. They don't stop me. You know? Going down. Run away, Bo!
Don't drop.
Lion going near me.
Round here for sure.
Yeah. Someone hide and sleeping. Security, you know. And they were.
Smelling oil. I still didn't look to see what is going on there now.
Yeah.
There wasn't. What Turkish people litter in the streets.
You don't know, so you go straight at people like to litter, you know. All over the world.
You're going to see some people are cook. You have your fire right there. But instead of you throw your garbage in the fire, you throw it to the river.
Yes, I
So when you're cooking in your house, you're pelting your garbage over by the river. Over by your bed corner.
Soldier girl, them are train. Yeah.
But don't look like doing a picnic.
Yeah, young soldier. Outside! Big light, mountain.
Nature.
Best nature of the time.
Scenery.
You know? Time cool and nice.
We're in Tucker Valley, Tucker Valley.
Tucker Valley. We're rolling outside. You
I
done?
put you out and you walk up the road and you show the video.
Oh.
You, is you are the video, you know?
Oh. I show the car. Oh, why?
Run away, boy.
You don't know. I say it's a nice little park. And come and kick back. Kick back and look out. A big tree, boy. A big one. What do you call this? A guango tree. So how big it is? Yeah. I tell you. Out. Don't know. Outside we're there. Simple. Leave with the thing. You know, nice green grass. Just stick back out here. Take a even drive out and thing. You know, when people then see what I go on the mountain and thing. So bless up on yourself. Bless up boss, bless up all of my subscribers them. Bless up all who subscribe already. You don't know, just press it and give me man, you know, see. And me I want to build it and I build it. I rise it to the occasion. You don't know. Out and bad. Kingston. Nice road. You know? It's a carnival, man.
Where the stage is over, so.
Right here.
Full of energy. We going higher, full of energy.
Carnival, man.
Oh, hey, hey. I feel like I'm gonna get away. No place like home, home, home. And the sun is setting in the evening. This is what Port of Spain looks like. We're overlooking Belmont. And the beautiful sea. Sunset meeting the sea in the west side of Trinidad. We're there. Move a look out, Trinidad people. So this round building we seen over there, that's Napa. And then you see all the rigs out there, that's over on the Port of Spain. Over here we have the Hyatt, that's those buildings out there. Out there. That's the Hyatt. And then we have the Twin Towers over here. We're overlooking Belmont. So this is the west side of TNT people, Trinidad people. We're chasing sunsets this evening.